guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sabhyabandwagon, and I'm really sorry first of all because I'm posting after a very long time. Actually, I was not keeping well, and there was Diwali, and there were many other things lined up, so I couldn't really film a very good video for you guys. Since we all know the wedding season has already started, and December anyway comes with so many parties. There's a New Year party, Christmas party, and so much more. So obviously applying makeup back to back or for a longer time, or for not using the right makeup products, maybe will damage your skin in some way or the other. So in today's video, I'll tell you one DIY face scrub and one DIY face mask which will help your skin regain the luster and the glow it already had and might have lost because of the makeup that we are applying, or even because of winters. In winters the skin tends to dry up because there's no moisture in the air itself, so you need to maintain the skin moisture and the pH balance so that your skin is not dry and itchy. So today's both the masks, the scrub and the mask, will help you regain all the moisture back and will keep your skin radiating and glowing as it is. So starting off, first I'll tell you the scrub. For the scrub you will need 1 teaspoon of oats, rolled oats like these, if you could see, and raw honey, 1 tablespoon each, and you will mix them together. Take the mixture like this in your hand or with a brush, however you like it, and apply it on your face. I am just showing it on my hand in the video. You can apply it like this on your face, leave it for a minute or two just to settle down, and then just scrub it off like that. Be gentle when you're scrubbing, don't go overboard, and don't scrub under eyes because under eyes are really very sensitive area of your face, so you don't want to scrub them and make them look 10 years older than the real age of the skin. So just scrub it very gently all over your face, your forehead, your cheeks, your nose especially, and the chin area, wherever you feel there are blackheads or clogging of pores. Just scrub it off like that, and then wash it with cold water and you're good to go. The scrub is very gentle on the skin and it feels so soft. Now coming to the pack. For the pack you'll need 1 banana, maybe half a banana because it's just your face that you want to cover. So half a banana mashed, 1 teaspoon of yogurt, fresh yogurt or yogurt that you have at house. You can bring a packaged yogurt, that is totally on you. Some raw honey. So guys, why are we using banana? Banana is a great exfoliator for your skin, and it has also moisturizing properties for your skin. In the winter there's a lot of dryness in the air which tends to come onto your skin, and you want to get rid of that dryness. So banana is definitely one of the most natural moisturizers you can apply to your face. Honey again adds luster and glow to your face because it has natural antioxidants and it has a lot of moisturizing properties to it which help you regain the moisture that you've lost from your skin, and it also helps in acne prevention and acne treatment. So again, that's a win-win situation. And for the third ingredient, rose water. You can either make homemade rose water by boiling rose petals in water and then straining them, or you can also use KANOI Ayurveda pure rose water. I generally use this for my face packs and as a toner as well, and also as a makeup fixing spray. So this is a very handy product for all your skincare problems. If you're not carrying a toner or anything, you can always carry this natural toner rose water from KANOI Ayurveda. It is magic, guys. It is just, your skin will glow like magic, trust me. Take 1/4 or half a banana like so and just mash it using a fork first. Just mash it as much as you can. So the banana is mashed. Now we'll add all the ingredients to this bowl. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of this mashed banana, 1 tablespoon of the fresh yogurt, and banana and yogurt together definitely are the best mixture. You can also use it on your hair if you suffer from dandruff problems or dry scalp or dryness of your hair. Yogurt is a very good natural conditioner for your hair as well, and banana is definitely very good for fighting dandruff and other problems of your hair. Now the third ingredient, honey. I will take a small teaspoon of honey and not a tablespoon. This is the spoon that I'm using for honey. And then just mix all the ingredients together very finely. A consistency like so will be made. So your face mask is ready. Now you can use a brush to apply this on your face. You can apply it all over your face and the neck. Never forget the neck whenever you're applying any kind of face packs or scrubs or anything, because neck forms an important part of your face. It's not only the face that is seen to other people, it's also your neck. So always take care that you're applying the entire mask everywhere on your face and the neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash off and pat dry your face with a soft towel. So guys, this is it for today's video. These were 2 skincare hacks that you can follow whenever you are free. But definitely for winters, this scrub and this mask is definitely magic and it's a must try. I use it for my skin and I'm in love with them. They're so easy to make. They can be made, all these ingredients will definitely be available in your kitchens, I'm sure, and if they're not, then stock them up. So thank you guys for watching, and do let me know in the comment section below how well did it work for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.